We have encores are weird, aren't they? Let's be honest, it's really, you can see us up there, we just wait. Are they going to clap enough or they're not going to clap enough, really? We have people placed in the crowd clapping enough. No, we do. We have a proposition for you. We're gonna have another crack at the new song that we didn't finish. We're English, and so we're cunning like foxes. And we pretended like we played you the whole song, and we didn't because Winnie broke a banjo string, which wasn't his fault, obviously. But so we're just gonna start the song again and play the whole thing. That's right, because we just.
Polly, would it be a really bad idea to plug my electric bass into the amplifier? Yeah. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
So, as you say, let's start over. This song's called Lover of the Light.
Yes!
And in the middle of the night, I may watch you go. There'll be no promise in the strength of walls that I have grown. There'll be no value in the shade of the shadows thrown. But I'll be yours if you need me. Stretch out our life, pick their seams out, take what you like, but close my ears and eyes, watch me tumble homeward, homeward. I have done wrong, so build your tower, call me home, and I will build a throne, wash my eyes out. But love the one you hold, and I will be your goal, to have and to hold, a lover of the light. Not too tight, eyes like marbles, fill me high, so watch me as I glide, before I tumble homeward, homeward. I know I've tried, I was not stable, before I cried, miss my sanguine eye, hold my hands up, breathing. So love the one you hold, and I will be your goal, to have and to hold, a lover of the night. There'll be no value in the strength of walls that I have grown. There'll be no comfort in the shade of the shadows.